So I'm going to start by rewriting this expression so it's a little bit bigger, and because it's postfix, after we rewrite this expression, we have to basically write brackets around the two terms in the operation right after that. So for example, EA minus and then FE minus. So that's what I'm going to do. So then I'm going to rewrite this equation, and that becomes A, B, C, D, and then E minus A is -1, plus star, dash, plus, and then F minus E is 2, and then a plus sign. So then writing the brackets again, you have D and then -1, that goes with the plus sign, and that's about it. So then AB and then D plus -1 is a 3, so that is a term, and then star, slash, plus, and then 2 plus. And then C, 3, and star, what's another term? So that basically means C times 3, which is 9. And then you, like usual, finish writing this expression out. Then B divided by 9, and B is 9, so that's just 1. So A, 1 plus 2 plus, then it's A plus 1, which is 8. So like usual, drawing the brackets, so it's 8, 2 plus, because it's a postfix, that means that the final answer is 10.